Don't be alarmed with the amount of powder I use. It's gonna be a lot, but it's gonna give you the look that I'm looking for. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a review on the new Makeup by Mario SurrealSkin Soft Blur Setting Powder. If you guys want to see my review of the setting powder and also see me apply, give my initial thoughts and all of those good things, then keep watching. This is the Makeup by Mario SurrealSkin Soft Blur Setting Powder in the shade Neutral Peach. I picked up the setting powder from Sephora and it retails currently for $38, and there are 6 shades. So I decided to pick this shade up because it was closest to my current setting powder, which is the Huda Easy Bake powder, which I love so much. What made me pick up this setting powder was I wanted to try something new and see if there was something better out there. Now, don't get me wrong, me and Huda, we're locked in, okay? The Easy Bake is my favorite setting powder, but what I like about this setting powder is this one is supposed to be talc-free and it's supposed to set your makeup for 12 hours. And I feel like that is a very bold claim because I am an oily girl. I went ahead and applied my base, and for concealer, I went ahead and used the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Concealer, and this is also my favorite concealer, so I just went ahead and did my whole base routine the same. So I have my powder and I'm gonna apply it how I apply all of my setting powders with a beauty sponge. So I'm just gonna dip it in the powder like this, and again, I told you guys I'm an oily girl, so don't be alarmed with the amount of powder I use. It's gonna be a lot, but it's gonna give you the look that I'm looking for. I'm going to take my beauty sponge and set everywhere that I applied my concealer with the Makeup by Mario powder. So I'm just first going under the eye, and I just kind of like press that in. So I don't really tap off any of the powder just because I want to lock it all in. So here is what it is looking like so far, just on one side of the face, and as you can see, it definitely blurred, and the other side of my face just looks very smooth. So I'm like, so far so good. What I'm noticing too about this powder is it is very like finely milled, and that's like one of the things that I really like about the Huda Beauty powder is how finely milled it is. So I feel like it just really gets in there and just sets everything so perfectly. I'm just gonna apply some more powder just again to all the places that I put concealer. So the center of the forehead and the nose, just because I did do a little nose highlight, and I like to lock that in as well. So this is how my face is looking with the Makeup by Mario loose setting powder, and as you can see, my skin does look very blurred and smooth, hence the name. So I feel like the powder is definitely living up to the name, and I'm very impressed. I feel like it's very finely milled, it feels very light on the face, it doesn't feel super heavy, and I just feel like it just went on super smooth and just really like melted in my skin. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the rest of my products and come back. Now, I will say, I know I look crazy. I know I look crazy. I know I look ashy. I know I look a little light. But this is how I normally look because I apply a lot of setting powder just because my skin is oily and I want to lock everything down. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply the rest of my products and then come back and let you guys see what my full face looks like. Here's my full face of makeup using the Makeup by Mario SurrealSkin Loose Powder. And as you can see, everything just looks very seamless, soft, and blurred, which of course was to be expected because, you know, Makeup by Mario just lives up to all of the hype. So here's just a quick little like close-up of what my makeup is looking like, and as you can see, everything, like I said, is just smooth, it's blurred, it's flawless, like it's just giving what needed to be gave. So if you're thinking about picking up this loose setting powder, I definitely recommend trying it. You can just go to the store and get a sample and try it, but honestly, this powder looks so good, and I'm not even shocked because I feel like that's honestly what I expected. Thank you guys so much for watching my review of the Makeup by Mario Loose Setting Powder. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment in the comment section below. And obviously, like, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Again, thank you everyone for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed.